upon this. This isn't the unit I'm investigating, but you can see the change in the soil. Okay, what we got here is a downspout that's disconnected, or the extension's disconnected. This is gas leak detective. How you doing? It's going to show you a little problem and the result of this problem. So with this being disconnected, I just walked level against foundation there. Typically that would be up higher. That grade would be up, and so that can actually cause a pretty severe problem if left uncorrected, and you'll eventually see settling under this whole slab, which I think we're starting to see anyway. Exposed dirt around there. So if you got an issue like that, or you're not sure what to do, you could have a whole house drainage review. That would help you very quickly get up to speed on all kinds of problems that exist. So anyway, give me a call, 402-309-3911. 402-309-3911. Anyway, it looks like fall's coming too. Check out the colors on this tree. Either that or it's just a dry spell. Anyway, take care.